don't try this at home or ever. It was just so much more effort than I was ready for. This rug was not it. I mean, like, it was easy and it was not ridiculously expensive, but the time it took to complete was ridiculous. I bought 2 rolls of the rope. For the base, I went to Dollar Tree and I got some of those non-slip grip pad mat things. I was difficult and I wanted a rug that was kind of circular, but because I had a rectangular coffee table, I knew that it needed to be rectangular, so I wanted to make a rug where I had rounded edges, but it still had that kind of rectangle. It's simple, right? You just take some rope and you just coil it around your base. As you can see, the grip mat is porous, so I'd recommend putting some extra paper underneath it so that when you're gluing, you're not gluing your rug down to the floor. Not speaking from experience. And then I had to buy 2 more. And then that still wasn't enough. So I was like, I'm gonna buy this last one because it should just be enough to finish. And it wasn't. And at this point, I'm just done. I'm like, I can't. So I just found some packing paper, plastered that in the middle, and I was like, we're gonna call this a day. I just crumpled up the brown paper, glued it down, and then made some Mod Podge out of Elmer's glue and water. I don't have a paintbrush, so I just used a reusable cloth that I have to smear the homemade Mod Podge on. Yeah, I'm sure you raised your eyebrows when I said I put packing paper in the middle of the carpet, but this looks pretty darn good. I was working on this rug for probably about like 4 months. Another reason why this took so long was the glue. So the thing is that you need a glue that's liquidy enough so you can work quickly, but also has a strong hold so that you're not there all day holding your glue in place. I went through a lot of trial and error, and then I ended up using this Weldbond. It was so unbelievably strong with the consistency of Elmer's glue, dries really quickly, so this was a winner, 100%. Love it, highly recommend. But I also do not recommend you do this unless you're a masochist, in which case, have fun.